Facebook is rolling out professional mode for profiles, letting creators take advantage of additional monetization tools. The new mode also gives creators access to features that help track the growth of their audience, something that was previously only available with pages. Professional mode lets creators partake in the Reels Play bonus program. Turning on professional mode allows creators to partake in the Reels Play bonus program. Reels, Instagram's short-term video feature, became available on Facebook in September. The bonus program lets creators earn up to $35,000 per month, all depending on how many views their Reels rack up. However, all creators aren't eligible for the program. It's currently invite-only, and creators must comply with Meta's partner monetization policies to qualify. Additionally, Facebook says it's working on more advanced editing features for Reels, such as an easier way to create a reel comprised of multiple clips, as well as the ability to save your reel as a draft while you're in the process of editing it. The platform is also considering extending the length limit of Reels from 30 seconds to 1 minute on Facebook, as only Instagram supports 1-minute Reels at the moment. Outside of Reels, professional mode also unlocks audience post and profile insights, which lets creators keep track of any activity on their profile. Creators can review the total number of shares, comments, and reactions that their posts have received, and can also see how their follower count has changed over time. Similar to pages, enabling professional mode makes all the content you post public and means that anyone can view your profile and start following you. Meta says that you can still choose to make certain posts visible to friends only. However, professional mode is only available in the US for now, but Meta says it'll be coming to more countries in the coming months. Just yesterday, Facebook introduced the Stars Store, a dedicated website for purchasing stars, otherwise known as the virtual currency that users can buy with real money and use to tip creators. While stars are available for purchase within the Facebook app, the stars on Facebook's new store are offered at a discounted price. The platform may be trying to entice users to purchase stars on the web-based Stars Store, likely to skirt the 30% commission that Apple takes for purchases made in third-party apps on iOS.